నేను చూపిస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. Microphone. Hi, good morning to all. Time enta?
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Very good morning. శివాజీది కనెక్ట్ కావటం లేదు, ఒకసారి కాల్ చేసి చెప్పు. ఓకే, స్టిల్ జాయినింగ్ మెసేజ్. మన శ్రీకాంత్ గారు వచ్చారా? ఓకే, చక్రవర్తి వాళ్ళకు కూడా కాల్ చేయండి సరే. Mrutyunjay, can you able to hear me? Can you unmute, please?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. So today onwards, little discussions with the participants and the doubts clearings. If you're not asking, no worries, I will ask the questions. It's a friendly discussion for moving. Okay.
Okay.
Mrutyunjay, from the last 2 days is most important classes. So what I did, simply I opened Excel. So whatever central tendency dispersions, just we use central tendency dispersion only. We didn't do any wonders. Just for data analytics, data analysis. It leads to predictions in future days. See this histogram, this box plot. Yesterday we focused on these two especially. With the help of these two, we're understanding how your data is behaving. So how to take a decision. Decision in the sense, this is the DMart stock. Yes, we did a complete, we applied summarization techniques. Same techniques you can apply in any tool. Excel also you can write a functions. So I didn't tell how did you get this analytical toolbar, because it's a very smart work. But you can type AVE, RAGE functions, you can use it. Like every function you can use it. So initially go with the functions. Later on you can go with tool plugins. Now we are focusing on these techniques completely this session. This person just started. Yesterday class is a question marks class. Started, we are going to finish this part.
Venkat, are you sharing your screen?
Oh my god, just a moment. Sorry, I didn't say it. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. ఓకే, రికార్డింగ్ మార్చి చెక్ చేస్తున్నాను. శ్రీకాంత్ రానట్లున్నాడు. ఓకే, see, this is Wipro data we summarized and DMart data we summarized. With the help of these techniques, Mrutyunjay, you can take a decision. What is a decision? We created a jet score. The jet score is a technology. With the help of the jet scores, you can understand whether it is going up, going down. If it is a minus values, it is a loss. If it is a plus values, it is a profit. Okay, so now come to these techniques. How I created these techniques in Excel sheet. Simply go to the file, note down the steps if you want. Go to the file, options, add-ons, analytical tool pack is there inside. See, Venkatesh, this is the analytical tool pack. Select and go. Then it will show all the buttons. If it is a unselect, select the buttons and click OK. Still it's disappeared for me. I will do it again. File, options, anyway it's not coming for me, then you can go do it yourself, you can get it. Okay, I will close this, open the fresh sheet, maybe you can get it. See, now I got this analysis. So in this analysis, whatever the statistics I displayed yesterday, descriptive statistics, it's displayed here. Covariance, correlation also there. This is the future subject. Now this is yesterday subject. We are focusing on this one. Come to day wise sheet. See, this is our descriptive points: mean, mode, median, trimmed mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean. So if you see the trimmed mean, geometric mean is always for compound interest calculation. Compound interest calculation. Harmonic mean is always for, if the data is individual, then we are looking for harmonic mean. Individual means there is no linking, there is no sequence. Example, this data is belongs to one particular bank, credit cards. Then you should not apply harmonic mean. For data quality, you can apply the harmonic mean. At the same time, you're not calculating any interest for this, so no need to go for geometric mean. You can go for these three: mean, median, mode. Okay, but overall deep level, you can go for all for checking the data quality, not for taking decision making. So just for yesterday, what I did, I want to go for data quality checks. So that's why I applied all the techniques. All the techniques I applied. But where exactly you are following this one, that we should know. So now make as it is of this one. So mean is quietly high, harmonic mean is something. If it's a 45 rupees, if it's a 45 rupees, everything is similar except harmonic mean. So that's the reason for using first and last. The first one is one value, the highest value. The last one is least value. First one data, no customer is close to existing values. Last harmonic mean also nobody close to existing customer. So only quality purpose we are using this one. In industry, mean is called Ambani, harmonic mean is called Riksha, which means harmonic mean give the lower weightage, arithmetic mean give always higher importance of the data. So that is the reason. See, here 57,000 is there. Higher value, highest importance. We should not believe the mean in real-time analytics. At the same time, you should not believe harmonic mean real-time analytics. You have to generate the both together. If both are similar, believe the data. If the both are not similar, don't believe the data. That is the conclusion of yesterday questions. Whatever I raised the questions, I'm giving answer for those questions. Right, Murtunjay? See the difference you can see. Murtunjay Garu, I'm taking one persons to air just for discussion, interacting. Murtunjay, I'm going to unmute. Can you unmute, please?
Yes, Venkat.
Yes. Now this class is explaining to you only. Others will follow. If you see this, all the values are 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Two values are one is a two digits, one is a five digits. So that's why these two values are highest. In this case, this data is not good data. Okay, now I will do one. I will take a large data. I will show it. Small data I explained. I will go for the large data to explaining more and more. So come down your case study. So parallelly, two, three tools we are using. Case study. Mm, Bank campaign data I'm taking, Mrityunjay. Okay, it's a bank campaign data. So directly I'm taking bank data. It is also modeling data in future. So cash credits, no need to do any histograms, box plots. Just complete the central tendency and dispersions. Then later on we can see. Because still we are into these two parts only. Yesterday, just fast I explained, but I never started officially. Yes. Now, how can you check with central tendency and dispersion? Generally, we'll do the box plot. We don't want to do the box plot. It's coming days. Analyze uh, case summary, cash credits taking. Okay. Statistics, mean, median, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Commercial tool, IBM tool, these techniques are available. Parallelly, how to search in Python also. Now you know the importance. Harmonic will give lower weightage, arithmetic will give higher weightage. Geo mean is compound interest, compound. Okay, that is the purpose. Other than that purpose, data quality checks, we can choose all the techniques at a time, run it. If I run this, copy, paste here. Seven lakhs, 5 lakhs, 11,000. Can you believe, Murtyunjay, this is a good data?
No.
Murtyunjay? No. With the help of these techniques, you are saying no. Because data quality, harmonic mean by arithmetic mean. 1% only data quality. Got it? Analyze, descriptive, explorer, cash, credit, histogram. Is it following histogram? Srikanth? Mrityunjay? No. You see how many outliers? No. So directly instead of going for this one, you start on foundation. Otherwise, why the world is thinking given function for harmonic mean, geometric mean, and arithmetic mean? There is a purpose, na? Utilize the purpose first, then come to here. So this data is following not properly. So what I can do, take this data, create a outliers, save as a standardized, run it, go back. Whatever the variable, don't bother. Right click and ascending order or descending order. This is all outliers. Am I right? This is all outliers. Up to 44 records. Am I right? Ah, come to here. Cash credits 44 records. Approximately 40. Just temporary purpose. I'm removing this. Again, redo the same analysis. Redo the same analysis. No outliers. Redo the same analysis again. So here what I did, I generated 100 samples. Now I will take 10 data view only. Display only 10 records. See, why it's not displaying? There is a null values. Yes. If the data has null values, harmonic mean, geometric mean never displays. Got it? I can create separate data sheet, report, summary, variable, the statistics mean, median, harmonic mean, sorry, harmonic mean, geometric mean. Here only 10 records. Mrityunjay, can you give me your answer, please? Can I expect answer from you?
Seems like a good data.
Right. Now it's good data. Why should you go for histogram, box plot, and blah 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 things? Just the mean mode median is enough, na? So on what basis? Because harmonic mean is not close to central tendency, not close to this mean. That's why you decided this is the bad data. No, there is no outliers. So you can analyze this data for future purpose. Previous data you should not apply. When I'm applying the previous data, this data, your prediction goes to wrong. Your modeling is going to fail. So don't do that jobs. The model is failure. For future prediction is going to wrong. You can predict it, but the values never happens because there is a lot of mesh data is there, scrubbing data is there, invalid data is there. Okay, unbiased values are there. How do you know? Because harmonic mean is less. The data quality is 1% only. Now calculate the data quality. How much percentage? Harmonic mean by arithmetic mean 99% data quality is there. Because of the 40 values which are removed, your data is misfiring. Right, Mrutyunjay? Are you agreeing this point?
Yes. Just out of a curiosity. So even if we have a data like this, something like this,
Uh-huh.
so is there any possibility to correct the data instead of
Yes.
omitting the data?
Yes. Correcting is one question. Okay. Unrelevant is another question, like multiple things. So you can say outlier means what? It's not a bad data. As per the banker data, they're doing extreme deposits. Who can do the extreme deposits? Abnormal personalities only, no? Big personalities can do high deposits. Now you come and see the. I'm going to reset this data, or else don't save. Go back. Whatever I did this analysis, that's a cash deposits. Middle class people, how much they can deposit? 7 lakhs, as per the average 7 lakhs. But somebody deposited 36 lakhs. On an average 7 lakhs, somebody deposited 36 lakhs means he's extreme person. Na? That is outlier. Everybody is depositing 30 lakhs. But somebody deposited 7 lakhs. This 7 lakhs is extreme person. Okay. Like you can do the data validation. Any questions from this part?
Outliers, sometimes maybe based on outliers, we can decide whether that is wrong data or good data.
Right. Because data validation is important for us. Now, take the cash deposits. This is the cash deposits. Calculate average. Now I'm using functions. This is mean. Median. Mode. You see why this mode is giving this much difference? Most of the customers are deposited 700 rupees. Geo mean, harmonic mean. These values are not. I'm going to use one more mean. Trimmed mean. What is a trimmed mean? The trimmed mean is same mean with 5% above, lower. By default 5% you can remove it. Why the 5%? The standard universal rule is 5% of significant error. 95%. 5% you can do manipulations for doing predictions and modeling. It's universal rule. By default it is saying 5% you can trim it. So trimmed mean array, select all the data, comma 0.05, run it. How much you got? 75,000. Now, guys, please focus on this explanation, this discussion. Mean, median, similar. Trimmed mean also similar. Why harmonic mean is not similar? Because the large values are available. At the same time, sorry, less values are available in your data, very less values. Whatever I showed 45 here, less values are there. If I made this 4,900, this 422 will be changed. But in this data, I can't do changes individual values now. Just shake up, your data is not good. This is not appropriate data. Just for saying, we generated this one. This is the complete validation techniques. 5% you can remove it. I removed 5%, then it's becoming this much. Now I will do one thing. I will go for 0.05%. Then increased almost similar to this one. Only 1% data only removed. Got it? So standard deviation CV DQ, right? Standard deviation of this data this much standard deviation, almost all dominating. Then standard deviation by arithmetic mean, 99% your data error. 99% your data error means data quality how much? Definitely less percentage. 1% is your data quality. How to solve this problem without using Pythons and all? First concept foundation is important. So these are all the dispersion techniques, Mrutyunjay.
Yep.
This is all central tendency techniques.
Yep.
So create a Z score. Actual minus mean. I'm making dollar symbol. See, indirectly yesterday class are repeating. You can familiar with this class. Now take highlight between automatically plus or minus 2. You see now, who is that fellow? 28 lakhs he deposited. 24 lakhs he deposited. Got it? Mrutyunjay, as I told, 40 members are high deposited cash during demonetization time. This is the demonetization time case study. This is the way income tax people trace out the people, trace out the customers. You know what they did, Mrutyunjay? Reserve Bank of India has started a big analytical team with 120 members of high qualified people. Srikant, please carefully follow this one. They're writing income tax team, they build all research associates. They're taking data by evening 7 o'clock. How they're taking data? With the particular PAN number, particular account number, who deposited more than 2 lakhs, hold them. How they're getting? All the banks accounts closed by 3 o'clock. Sending to Reserve Bank by 5 o'clock. Sending to income tax department suspected accounts by 7 o'clock. Then they're starting this kind of techniques. Abnormal amount 2 lakhs. Whoever deposited more than 2 lakhs. Oh my God. Okay. Mobile on just.